and good day everyone. We are from Group 9 and we would like to introduce an innovative product for construction material which is Aggregate. The innovative product that we choose is expanded polystyrene concrete, which normally called as EPS-crete or EPS concrete. Before I explain more about this product, I would like to introduce my team member. I am Go Inshuan, and she is Su, and she is Miza, and he is Akmal, and lastly, he is Nawab. Before I introduce to you our company product, which is EPS Concrete Cement Sandwich Roll Panel, let me briefly introduce to you our company, which is Hubei Boyanja Industrial Company. It is located in Wuhan, China, and we mainly manufacture EPS Concrete Cement Sandwich Roll Panel, besides providing installation services to our customer. As one of the marketer of Sales and Marketing Department, I am here to introduce you about EPS Concrete Cement Sandwich Roll Panel. It is a new kind of lightweight energy-saving building material. It is composed by EPS polystyrene foam, sand, and cement as core material of this product. It is produced by using small expanded polystyrene board to replace aggregate rather than using cluster stone that usually used in the regular concrete. Simply to say, our company produces EPS concrete by replacing aggregate with small expanded polystyrene board in order to make it become lightweight and eco-friendly, since it is reusable. Moreover, this product has a 5 mm thick of calcium silicate board that acts as a surface panel on the both sides of the product, and the EPS concrete are in the middle of the both sides of surface panel. Therefore, this product is called as EPS Concrete Cement Sandwich Roll Panel.
There are several functions for expanded polystyrene concrete. First, it is a fire-resistant concrete for construction industry. Second, it has sustainability aspect, which is it can reduce carbon dioxide emission. Third, it has sound insulation, which is good for construction industry nowadays, and it also acts as filter in concrete mix. For expanded polystyrene concrete, it usually been used widely in construction industry for roof construction. Also, it been used for foundation construction and for underground heating system in construction industry nowadays. Thank you.
Now I will explain about the special features of EPS. First of all, EPS is energy saving and environmental friendly because it does not contain any harmful substance and does not produce radiation. It can be reusable and well used in various places. Secondly, EPS is fireproof because the EPS concrete can withstand to high temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. This fireproof feature can last for hours and do not radiate or produce any toxic gases. Thirdly, EPS is a good sound insulation where it can absorb and reduce noises. For example, the amount of sound insulation is up to 40 decibel with the 90 mm thickness of the wallboard, which is 2 or 3 times than the traditional or common wall. Last but not least, EPS can be reusable and user-friendly. The wallboard can be reused in a movable interior wall such as at a small market, office, and more. The lightweight energy-saving wallboard can be reusable. Dismounting and installation are simple and improves usage rate and economy saving. Also, it has no construction waste and not affect other people's normal work.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Sharifah Nur Subaiha binti Sai Muhammad Sabri. So today I would like to explain about the benefits with comparison of the EPS concrete. So the first one is increase the thermal resistance and sound insulation properties. The EPS concrete has better thermal insulation than ordinary or common concrete. So as you guys know, the concrete also have the benefits. So the concrete sets, hardens, gain its strength at regular room temperature or ambient temperature. This is because cement is a low temperature bond in organic material. Thus, concrete can be used irrespective of ambient weather conditions and optimized with admixtures if required. So the concrete weight can be lightened by first, introduction of air to form air bubbles of the coarse size and also known as aggregate concrete. So the second is introduction of air by using the special agent as known as air entrained concrete. And the last one is use of lightweight aggregate as substitute to the normal aggregate. So the second benefit is easy for shaping and forming with hand by using the sculpturing and construction tools. It can be used for the both in situ and precast components. So for the concrete benefits, the fresh concrete is flowable and in the liquid state. So the concrete can be poured into the various formworks and shattering the configuration to form the desired shapes and also the size in the construction site. So next is EPS, also known as the lightweight concrete. Hence, it has the advantages which is lighter load during the construction and also reduce the self-weight in the structures. So the EPS concrete can enhance the construction and handling the technique used as well as easing up the regions of the transportation and on-site handling. The lightweight of the concrete can be reduced to the cost of the formwork and steel and also can increase the productivity. Last but not least, EPS concrete is a simple construction and it didn't need to plaster because it already includes the plastering work. So I think that's all for the benefits with comparison of EPS. Bye. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Miza Zafira binti Zulkifli and I'm going to explain about the quality control of EPS concrete. So as we know, EPS concrete is an innovative effort in replacing coarse aggregate into the cement concrete manufacturing process. So the effort has been successfully done by replacing the coarse aggregate to the EPS ball. Therefore, the advantage gained after the replacement of new material like EPS ball is the concrete is lighter than the existing concrete. Therefore, the quality control effort are also being undertaken to ensure that the products are in high quality. So, the quality control made in the production of the EPS concrete is to conduct a slump test to assessing the workability level of concrete and to calculate the consistency of the concrete mix. In addition, the compressive strength test is also performed to see the strength of the EPS concrete after being loaded. And lastly, the quality control performed on the EPS concrete is to make a water absorption, which aim to see the difference of the pressure caused by gravitational and capillary forces.
If you need to know more information about our product, please click the link below and don't forget to share our video. That's all from us. Thank you and bye.
Bye.